Hello, fellow teachers. My name is Mrs. Ayers, and I'm going to present an overview of my teaching project. I am super excited. This has been an amazing semester, and only one more class to go for me. Today, I will be giving you a general overview of the teaching session that I will be providing nursing students in regards to timely and effective hand hygiene as it relates to infection control. So maybe you're asking, why hand hygiene? What's the purpose? So hand hygiene is the simplest, most effective measure for preventing healthcare acquired infections. However, timely and proper hand washing is not consistently translated into clinical practice. Therefore, educators must continue to combine didactic lessons and simulations to enhance the knowledge and improve skills of nursing students. The goal of this learning session is to ensure that nursing students are 100% compliant with timely and effective hand hygiene practices. We have 5 key objectives to help us to reach this goal. Upon completion of this learning session, student nurses will be able to outline the importance of effective hand hygiene for the protection of healthcare personnel and patients. 2, list the 5 key moments for when to use hand hygiene. 3, demonstrate the correct way to wash hands with soap and water. 4, demonstrate the correct way to perform hand hygiene with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And 5, discuss strategies to improve hand hygiene practices. We will now take a closer look at each objective and how it will be evaluated. As we begin with Objective 1, outlining the importance of effective hand hygiene, the students will learn this important lesson through the theory that will be taught during the session and through applications in some role plays that will happen during the session as well. So how will students be evaluated on this objective? We will have group discussion, of course, along with the end of session hand hygiene knowledge assessment questionnaire. In Objective 2, students will be able to list the 5 key moments for when to use hand hygiene. And in this lesson, it will be taught through lecture and theory and being reinforced with some role play. This objective will also be evaluated through the group discussion and feedback, along with the end of session questionnaire. Objective 3 says that the students will demonstrate the correct way to wash their hands with soap and water, and we will learn this through this lesson with theory, of course, and lecture, video demonstrations, as well as role play and live student demonstrations. This objective will be evaluated through observation of simulations as well as skill check. Objective 4 says that students will demonstrate the correct way to perform hand hygiene with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. The students will learn this skill through lecture and theory, along with role play and demonstration. This objective will be evaluated through observation of simulations as well as skill check. Objective 5 says that students will discuss strategies to improve hand hygiene practices. Students will gain this knowledge through lecture and group discussion in this session. This objective will also be evaluated through the group discussion and feedback, along with the end of session questionnaire. That concludes my overview, and I look forward to reviewing your presentations. Hang on, we're almost there.